is the perceived value. I believe it's lower than where I need it to be. And I think that comes down to our brand, right?
I don't think that's going to move the needle as much as you think it is. The truck looked great. Your uniforms looked great. Your website looks great. They're like, I want to buy from this company. I think I have a good read on this company. Now the estimate gets sent to them in their spam folder in their email. Let's say they open it up and it didn't match anything else they just experienced. If we don't provide them a software where it's as easy as accept, card on file, booking confirmation sent, people don't have the mental capacity to deal with trying to figure out a website or a software just to get their lawn mowed. Step 1, figure out how you're going to make it easier to buy from a customer. Step 2, by raising prices, raise your minimum threshold.